Chapter 4, Part 6. Jalal is related to have informed its disciples that Shamsuddin was a scholar in every science known to man, and also a great alchemist, but that he had renounced them all to devote himself to the study and contemplation of the mysteries of divine love. And love by and for God is mentioned in 56 verses of the Quran, 11 in the Bible. Now, some translations have been a bit flowery and whatnot, have not been as literal, and maybe more verses have been the thing. But look at both in noun and verb, the extent that the explicit has gone into. And then look at the implicit. And then we have, like in India, the 5 stages of love. The master servant. Well, I mean, I guess this isn't universal because Hinduism isn't really a religion. It's just a way to refer to 70,000 of them or whatever, right? So you have the master servant. And then you have the friend. Then you have the parent-child. And then you have the spousal love. And then you have the socially inappropriate. But I've talked more about that elsewhere, so